Hi Steven, I your new classmate from Colombia. I was moved to Brazil last week.
Hello, Andres. Welcome to Brazil. How did you like it so far?
I really like it. People are friendly and the weather is great.
That's good. What's your daily routine like?
I wake at 7, had breakfast and go to university. After classes, I study and play soccer.
Nice. I wake at 6, go to class at 8:30 and practice samba.
That's cool. In Colombia, with dance salsa is very popular in Cali.
Oh, that's similar. In Brazil, we celebrate Carnival with music and colors.
In Colombia, we had Carnaval de Barranquilla. You should visit one day.
I love to. Maybe next vacation you can visit me in Rio de Janeiro.
Great idea. See you tomorrow, Steven.
See you, my friend. Welcome again to Brazil. Bye.
Bye, Steven.
Thank you. Thank you.